Hello everyone, I'm Madhu Bhatia. Today I am sharing the recipe of very easy and delicious brownie. So let's bake. This is dark chocolate, dark compound. 250 grams I have taken. I have melted it. You can melt it in oven in the interval of 30 minutes or on gas of double boiler method. And this is 100 grams butter. Double boiler method is like you can take one pan of the size of this is very hot, the size of the bottom of this bowl, and can place it on the gas, and on low flame you can melt it. Just be careful of the water vapor or the steam should not come in the bowl, or it will be seized. So and in this is as this is eggless brownie, I'll be mixing sugar and curd. This is 160 grams sugar, it should be warm while doing all this. You can take 180 grams of sugar also if you like a bit sweet this thing. And sorry, this is, we'll have to put some curd. This is 170 grams of curd. This is a 1 bowl recipe of brownie. We don't require any 2-3 bowls. And 60 grams of maida. Only 60 gram of maida. Less maida is required in the brownie because we are not baking any cake. And brownie, less of maida and more of chocolate is required. And 2 tablespoons of this cocoa powder. If you want egg with egg, then instead of curd you can add eggs. 2 eggs are sufficient. Consistency is this. If you think it is a bit liquidy, then you can add only 10 grams of maida more, not more than 10 grams. Like this. and in total it will be 70 grams. So it is like this. And you can line one square mold like this with parchment paper, and make sure it is from the rim, from two sides it should be out of the rim a bit, so that it is easy to take out the brownie. Just tap twice, and you can garnish with walnuts. You can make a variety of brownies like red velvet and white chocolate brownie, and so many brownies are, and with so many methods you can make. So this is one bowl easy biryani, easy brownie. Now bake at 180 for 20 to 25 minutes. Not more than that, because it will be, if you pick toothpick in this, and it won't be clean, because it is gooey, and it is sticky from inside, it will be. So wow, this is so good. This is so soft. You can relish this brownie with dollop of ice cream and uh, chocolate sauce on it. So like this, you can relish with chocolate sauce also only, and whatever way you like. Thanks for watching.